What's the meaning of Bedales? Bedales. Bedales.
Bedales. Bedales. Bedales is a coeducational independent school located in Hampshire, England. Founded in 1893 by J.H. Baddeley, it is known for its unconventional approach to education, emphasizing creativity, personal growth, and intellectual curiosity over rote learning and exams. The school's motto is "Work of each for weal of all," reflecting its commitment to the development of well-rounded individuals who are engaged in their local and global communities. Bedales offers a wide range of academic subjects, as well as outdoor education, art, drama, and music programs, all designed to foster creativity, critical thinking, and independence of thought. Alumni of Bedales include numerous artists, writers, and intellectuals who have made significant contributions to their fields.